and they're both doing a fantastic job. There is no clash.
The economy and concerns about high prices helped propel President Trump to the Oval Office, with Mr. Trump promising change.
From the day I take the oath of office, we will rapidly drive prices down and make America affordable again. We're going to get your energy prices down by 50%. Starting on day one, we will end inflation and make America affordable again. A vote for Trump means your groceries will be cheaper, and we're going to have prices down. I think you're going to see some pretty drastic price reductions.
The dizzying policy shifts on tariffs and concerns about the health of the economy produced one of the worst weeks on Wall Street in months. Steve Kornacki is here to take us through all the numbers. Steve, what are you seeing? And good morning.
Good morning, Kristen. Yeah, I mean, uneasy, volatile, unsettling. You can pick whatever adjective you want, but here's what the numbers look like this past week. Looking at the Dow average here, with all of the news. You start last Monday, and look, you could see how the average just plummeted late Monday. That is when Trump made the announcement that the tariffs were coming. It continued on Tuesday as the tariffs were imposed. Of course, then you had the reprieve for automakers, deferring a lot of the other tariffs, and the market did start to make a little bit of upward movement. And actually on Friday, when you added in that new jobs report, some folks on Wall Street feared it might be worse than it was. The market actually did close up a bit on Friday, but down significantly for the week. And if we broaden this out, zoom out, and take a broader look at the trajectory of the market here, two things to highlight here in terms of Trump and his policies. Take a look at this. Again, this is the Dow average. Between Election Day and Inauguration Day, it was up basically 4%. There was optimism on Wall Street about what Trump would do as president, but since Inauguration Day, when Donald Trump began enacting policies like we saw this week with tariffs, it's been a very different reaction from Wall Street, down more than 1.5 points since Trump was inaugurated. Now, to put that in further perspective, we can compare that number, down 1.6% from inauguration, to other modern presidents, the first couple months of their presidency. And again, look at this, it was up 6% in Trump's first term. Look at all of these other presidents, Clinton, in both of his terms, Bush, Biden. It was up in all of these. The list even continues here. You can go all the way back to 1989 with George Bush Sr. We'll pop that one up there and you'll see it actually went up with him. So here it is, Trump going down 1.6% in these first few months here. The only other negative number we've seen in modern times, I mean, this is nowhere near the same ballpark, but 20% when Obama took over in 2009. Remember, that was in the middle of the meltdown on Wall Street. So that's the question of the investors and their reaction. And of course, there is the question of consumers as well. So important to the economy.